Hello friends, today we are going to see multi-point locking in sliding with flush handle. This is typical 37 mm sliding series shutter especially, which is popular in the market. As you can see here, this is flush handle Cadwell Cotswold, and these are the accessories which are used to incorporate its multi-point locking. I will try to explain you right now. This is Eurogru C channel. This is the locking point, which has two variants. This is fixed type of mushroom pole. We have another pole which could be adjustable as well. Then this is the drive pin, which is engaged in the Euro rod, aluminum rod, and another locking point is shown here. You can keep on adding number of locking points depending upon the height of the shutter. Now I will just try to demo you. As you can see here, I operate this locking point now. It's so smooth and easy to operate. Hope you understood the deep video. If you have any questions, kindly ask us. We will be happy to reply those questions. Thank you.